What is the woman? Is she just a container for the child? That soft pink matter, cotton candy, Majaboo. Close my eyes and fall into you. My God, giving me pleasure. What if the stars in the sky of the show and the aliens are watching live from that purple matter? Can't take a quiet, then violent spot until we both grew tired. Nothing mattered. Cotton candy, Majaboo. Close my eyes and fall into you. My God, you're giving me pleasure.
You were such a habit to call. I ate myself and all, had to tell myself nah. She met it with some fella with a regular job. I didn't want to get it involved, but then Mr. Benjamin was saying nah. Hopped into my car, drove far. The car's too short, and I remember my memories no sharp. What a night, what a life anyway. I'm living out a clock stop, one of my heavyweight. She had a type of body that would probably intimidate any of them that was on something, but not me, cause models are made for modeling. Fake girls are made for cuddling. Switch words so we can huddle back. You need no other friend, I need to hold your hand. You need no other man, we flew to other land.
I gotta pay attention because I don't know who's singing this thing. Thank you.
I'm doing it every day to pull my words like the past, like the sequence. Let the world figure out my achievements, because I'm colder than a freezer. It's been heat like a heater. Before I give y'all a fever, y'all need to follow the leader.
Alright, have a healthy habits, call it sober Alamo. Stick 'em in the scribble and deliver from my own heart. Look at your standard, you the surgery, your raiders roll the rainbow rubber while the red is rubber, red is snow. Later with the news comes. The green lights, the blue lights came, but it said nothing, I was blew away. Wait, how'd I get here? I never was the student, time just passing by the audio divide. It's a stupid hype. Stop, but still, she don't really get it. I like it when you talk. Hours to the milliseconds floating on the watch, and I'll stop it. No, I'll stop it.
Stop it, stop it.
She don't really get it. I like it when you talking. Hours to the milliseconds floating on the watch, and I'll stop it.
Stop it, stop it.
I'll stop it. Stop it. It was a little bit of close touch. I find it funny how she only bat her eyes at night like alone for more. I played a family trick. I said it's vibe somewhere. She said it's something along the lines of I don't care. Please grab a chair with me because it's vibe right now. And I'm honestly looking to lie with you. Well, not right now. Before you say it, know you see me around. Release her and know that on the prowl is not my style. I learned a couple lessons in and never taught us in school. I let the wanna be a part of me, the rest to be cool. And yes it was, but no it wasn't. We're fooling around with a body, with I'm sorry, I forgot it was you. I know you see me, but we never see it eye to eye. I know you see me, but we never see it eye to eye. And we've been seated at this table for what feels like forever. My mind's full of passion, but I just mentioned the weather.
Sorry, I ain't take time to notice. I lost my focus. Everybody else know that we ain't got that love potion no more. I don't even know where the sun is anymore. Sitting high up in the sky, but I never seen it anymore. Ever since you left, I never knew how to contest. I always figured out what I was doing with you right next, and I feel like I'm failing test. I don't even know what it's next. Rolling in the sky, I'm not feeling no ever blessed, but I knew that I could make it when you were with me. I never had to go with it. I felt good, like I was 50, but now I'm going down, and I'm never coming back up. I never seen anything like this before. I never knew it. What's up? Now what's up?
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. I let that hotline bling. That can only mean one thing. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you started acting and going out low. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with a love I've never seen before. And ever since I left the city, you started undressing, going out low. Glasses of champagne out on the dance
someone, they need you. This life is more than just a read through.